Hi friends, welcome on my channel. So today I'm going to start an introduction part that is of a SQL query. Okay, so in this video I will explain introduction of a SQL query, and yesterday I have uploaded one video that was related of a installation of a software. So if you guys didn't watch that video, so don't worry, I will give that video link in the description box so you can watch. And so let's start. So first I would like to explain from the diagram. Okay. So in this diagram you can see here. So I took a fourth block. First block it is indicating for a database. Okay. Second block table. Third block row, and fourth block is column. So in the database, data will be stored in a row and column format. Okay, so we can see this is the table. Okay, this is the table. Under this table there is a row and column. Okay, so row we can say employee id, first name, last name, employee, age, and employee zone. And yeah, second row we can say first row number, first one, first, and then first name is Jack, second name like that. This is the row. Okay, and column is employee ID 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, like this. This is the column. So in like this format, data will be stored in the database. Okay, so SQL query, it is allowing for how we can connect, yeah, interact with database. So whenever we are going to write a SQL query, so SQL it is allowing with the interact. We can interact with database. Okay, why we can interact with database? Because we want to fetch a data from the database. Yeah, we can update the we want to update a data in the database. Yeah, we want to delete the data from the database. Okay, so that's why SQL it is allowing for a we can connect, yeah, we can interact with database. Okay, so it was the second point. And third point, what is the meaning of third point? For the like in the like through the third point, it is the meaning of a whenever we are going to write a SQL query. Okay, so there is a way. Okay, so when SQL query will start execution, so database engine will check first syntax, like we can say format. Okay, so first it will check a format. If format is correct, then it will select a second, select whatever we want to fetch a column, attribute from the database. Okay, so then second number is first select, then in the second number it will check a select. Okay, then database engine check a from statement in which table user want to fetch a data. Okay, so like suppose we want to fetch a data from the dual table. So we can say from, this is the table name. So this is the table name. Okay, this is the table name. Okay, we want to fetch a first employee id comma first name of an employee. Okay, we want to fetch these two attribute from the database. Okay, these two attribute exist in this table. Okay, so whenever the when start execution, so at that time database engine will check first format. Okay, first select, then from, then where clause. Okay, then it will check under the selected statement how many attribute is there. Okay, and then it will check from clause, in the from clause whatever table name we are giving. Okay, so there then database engine will check in this table these two attribute exist or not. If it is exist, then the database engine will fetch our data and that data will show on the screen. If these two attribute it is not exist in this table, then it will throw error. Like this two attribute, it is not available under this table. Okay, like this. So it was the introduction part. So in the next video, I will explain about uh, types of a SQL command like DDL, DML, DCL, TCL, DQL. What is the meaning of these SQL command and what is the purpose? So I will explain in the next video. So thank you for watching this video. Thank you guys, and please subscribe my channel and share in your friend circle. Thank you. Thank you guys.